The topic of today's video is how to upload music to Spotify. This is more for people who are new to distribution because the OGs, they will know what is up here. So unlike uploading videos to platforms like YouTube, Spotify doesn't allow artists to upload music directly. To get songs on Spotify, you'll need to go through a music distributor. And that's something that we cover heavily on this channel. These services act as intermediaries, delivering your music to Spotify and a ton of other streaming platforms, handling licenses and ensuring you receive royalties for said music. Some popular options include DistroKid, CD Baby, TuneCore, and Muse. Again, distributors that have been covered heavily on this channel. So do understand that pretty much every distributor will distribute to Spotify. However, there are quality control things here. So obviously the first step would be to select your distributor. Different payment plans. Some will upload for free, but they will take royalties, or they will upload for free, but only let you upload to social media sites. Once you've chosen your distributor, you need to ensure your tracks are mixed and mastered. High quality audio increases your chances of playlist placements and listener retention. Again, these are not hard and fast rules, but they are general standards across the industry. Now, the next thing that's also equally as important is metadata. Accurate song titles, artist names, album art, genres, featured artists, everyone is going to get their cut when it comes time for royalty. Make sure you've got all your metadata in order because you're going to fill out an entire form before you can even upload anything. So now, as I mentioned earlier, there are guidelines to this. So your distributor will also have their own guidelines that you need to follow, or your tracks won't be released, or they will be taken down from certain stores and can risk you being banned. Now, a quick side note, if you are planning to release a cover song, your rendition of someone else's composition, you'll need to obtain a mechanical license. This license grants you the legal right to reproduce and distribute the song. Services like tune licensing, but also distributors like DistroKid, will offer you mechanical licenses at a certain fee. So ensure you comply with copyright laws and then can monetize your cover legally. So there you have it, guys. I try to keep that as quick as possible. Getting your music on Spotify is not just make a song, upload it, like a SoundCloud, for instance. So make sure to do your homework on whichever distributor you want to join with. And then don't forget to like and subscribe for the information. And have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one.